Today we're going to be reviewing the ONEISALL Pet Grooming Kit vacuum. Got several different attachments here. Grooming brush. You got this trimmer right here. It's got two different speeds on it. Rechargeable. Goes down in the hole. Goes into your vacuum. Good product. You got all these different combs. You got brushes. You got a shedding brush. You got a nail file. Gonna file their nails down. It's got a trimmer for the paws. And this is your vacuum. It's got a good capacity. It's got these bristles right here. You just comb them, mash it, it sets their hair back down in there. Good product to have. We're going to show you how it works. This is Charlie. He's going to be demonstrating how this thing works. ONEISALL vacuum. Got 3 different speeds on it. You just turn it on. Start brushing. Turn your speed up a little bit. It's going to start picking up all this hair. You see it going inside. Great for German Shepherds, or you got dogs that shed, or cats or something that sheds. Just gently brush them. It does a great job at vacuuming. Sets all this up in there. As you can see, there's a lot of hair going in. Once it gets full, you just take this out right here, take it outside, dump it. This is the ONEISALL Pet Vacuum. It does a great job, fantastic job. Y'all check it out in the link below.